Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another Destash, and apparently I just did this video and something happened to my camera. So I was in the middle of doing all this. I was towards the end and bam, this happened. So I'm doing another Destash. This time it's for Valentine's Day. As you can see, it's an abundance of Valentines embellishments and ephemera and stickers and trims galore. I'm going to be asking $45 shipped in a large flat rate box. Friends and family only, US only, yada yada yada, you know what I mean. And 18 years or older. Please email me down below if you're interested. So I will start sharing what I have. Okay, so I have a bunch of stickers from the Dollar Tree, foam heart stickers. And you might be wondering, Tereese, you could use this on other stuff. Well, I have so many that I just will not be doing a lot of Valentine's Day projects anymore. Because my kids are getting older, it's just kind of hard to do them. And I've been collecting for many years, and yeah, it's just over. It's taking over my room. So I figured, I'm gonna start destashing, downsizing. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these macaroons. These are really adorable. And I got these at Walmart. Here are some more stickers, and it's gonna fall. Here's some more. I like these because of the chocolates. They're so cute. Oh, not even showing you. And I'm gonna have this all wrapped up. Here are some really cute heart stickers. These are from Target a couple years back. Here's some felt feathers from Target. Here are more Target hearts. And this is a Target heart sticker set. This is from Walmart. These foam pink stickers. These are from Target. You'll be getting this trim from Recollections. Here's some treat bags and some foam stickers. Here is a American Crafts pokey thing. I don't know what they call it. I think it's like some kind of needle point where you poke the holes and then you run thread in. And I used to have the pokey tool, but I think we all have different kinds of pokey tool that we can poke through the holes, or you could use a needle, a regular needle and thread, and it's really fun to do. There's that. Here's a stamp set that I've had forever. I've never used it. Here is some trims. I don't know where I got these, probably from Michael's. Here is some Old King Company ephemera, and I've used it like a couple times, and that was it. Here are a whole bunch of paper doilies. Where to start? I mean, where to go? Here is some treat bags. I know I have some other ones here. Here's a smaller treat bag. I love these. These are really cute. Let's see. Here are some stickers from my stash that I was intending on using one day. Here are some felt pockets. It was I think this was Target. I think these were Target heart pockets. Really cute Cute, cute, cute. So you'll get those. Here are more, here's some shaky stickers. I think these were from the Dollar Tree, I'm not sure. Here are some shaky, shaker stickers. Here are some Be Mine tags from Michaels. These are little bits of things. This is like a wine tag that you put on your wine glasses, but I was thinking these would be cute for charms on a journal or something. And then here's some Valentine's Day brads. So, oh, there's the pokey tool. There's the pokey tool for that. So I knew I had it. I had some cute little buttons from Target. Here's some satin hearts. Here's the red ones, the red and pink and silver. Here's some more trim. This could be used for Christmas or Valentine's Day, but since it was mostly red and white, I mainly used it for Valentine's Day. Here are some rosette hearts. I'm sorry, not rosettes, hearts. they're these floral or flower thingy hearts. I don't know what they're called. Here's some felt hearts. They're really, really cute and sturdy. I think I got this at Walmart. I think, I'm not sure. Here's some picks, heart picks already made up. Here's another stamp from American Crafts. Here are some trims. I think this is from the Dollar Tree. You could use this on altered projects. I mean, or you could use it individually on your projects. I mean, it's, it's good. Here are some red bows. Here is another trim. I think this was from Target. I'm not sure when. Here are all these felt hearts. They're all in baggies. These are stickers. These are felt, glittery felt. Here's more. Here's some tags and some twine. Here are these chipboard pieces from Target that I never used, or I used a little bit of. Here are some more felt stickers. Yeah, I think these are stickers. And here is some felt trim, really cute. And then here's some mini clips. Yeah. So you get all of this. I'll put it in a flat rate box. It will be $45 shipped. First come, first serve. US only, PayPal only, friends and family only. What else? 18 years or older. If you're interested, do not comment on this video. Please send me an email. I'll have my information down below. So if you're interested in this Destash, I will be sending you an email back. So thanks everyone for sharing. Oh, sharing. I'm so sorry. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a great Friday and weekend. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.